Welcome to NBCCD. We know you're wondering what COVID will mean for your college experience this fall. We're here to keep you safe, so we've put procedures in place to limit physical contact while ensuring you experience the hands-on learning we're known for. Before you enter a college building, pop on your community mask. Use hand sanitizer upon entering, and write your name and the time on the sign-in sheet located at the front desk. You'll likely have your temperature taken, and you'll be asked to head home if it is elevated. Likewise, if you're experiencing any sort of symptoms, please do not come to school. But don't worry, we'll make sure you can continue to work and study from home. The most important thing to remember when entering any college building is that you need to wear your community mask whenever you're away from your designated, physically distanced workstation. Follow the arrows to move through the hallways of the college. In particular, keep in mind that in the main building, the front staircase is designated for upward moving traffic only, while the back staircase is designated for downward or exiting traffic towards Carlton Street. Elevators can go both ways, but are limited to one occupant at a time. In case of fire or other emergencies, ignore the arrows and use the nearest exit. Each class is designed to support physically distanced workstations, often with barriers in place. When at your workstation, you'll be permitted to remove your mask, but be sure to keep it handy so you can put it on anytime you stand and move away from your station. Just note that all our washrooms are single occupancy even when there are multiple stalls, so remember to flip the vacancy sign when you enter and exit the washroom. These are the current protocols, but please be prepared to adapt to any new circumstances as the pandemic situation evolves. Please keep us updated anytime you change your contact information so that we can get a hold of you quickly if you ever need to get contact tracing done. To sum it all up, stay home if you're sick, wear your mask, use hand sanitizer upon entering and exiting the building, follow the signage to move through the building appropriately, and sign in and out at the appropriate door. That's it. Any staff member will be happy to help you if you have any questions, and please keep an eye on your emails for any updated safety protocols throughout the year. Thank you for helping us keep our campus, faculty, and students safe.